What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you some easy in-camera transitions that you can do. I'm gonna start it off by doing the snap. So all you gotta do is, all right, that's a little bit better. All you gotta do is clap your hands or snap your fingers and cut when the audio spikes. And the next one up is the cover. All you gotta do is, and then you just uncover the lens and you're in the next scene. The next one up is called the spin. You just spin with the camera and cut in the motion blur. So there we go, we in another location now. The next one up is called the whip or the wipe. So essentially what you do is you have the camera and you just drop it to a corner, and then the next time you come into the scene, you just do the exact same thing in the same general motion and angle that you were doing before. So, and that's what you call the whip or wipe transition. It's a little bit different, hard to perfect. The next one up, you just shake it. Looks something like an earthquake. So let's go. There we go. You know that earthquake, did you feel that? The next one up is the reveal. All you have to do is put your camera behind something, but it has to fully cover the frame, and then the next scene, you just have to uncover it. So let's do it right now. There we go. That's the reveal. Hope y'all enjoyed that. The last one up is the dap. You just, hit it on something, you're just giving someone daps, and then you on to the next scene. So let me do it right now. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the daps and all the other in-camera transitions that will make your videos a lot better, as well as your vlogs if you do want to incorporate these transitions. Instead of using all these after the thought transitions that can be kind of a little bit skeptical looking, if you do the in-camera transitions, most of the time they'll look amazing, even if you add like a little bit of a blur transition over top of the two transitions that you're already doing to make it blur together a little bit better. I hope you did enjoy. I'm probably gonna make a part 2 of this video because I wanna add in a lot of the other in-camera transitions that I personally know. Leave that in the comments down below if you wanna see a part 2 to this. Please like, comment, and subscribe, it does help. And until the next video, peace.